Kisumu County ni riwruok wakeni ebwo riwruok mar kanisa mar Nyanza National Council of Churches of Kenya medo kwayo mondo mi koro yiero mabiro otime yor kwe kaachiel kod campaigns mekgi. Ka gilose kanisa mar St. Barnabas Ncck mano mayudore Baraka kata manyate boma ma Kisumu kotele kanyo kod Reverend Helen Atieno mar Siasa Church. Wakenigo owacho ni koro rowere kik yie ti kodgi ni mar wechego mago mag siasa gin gik mabiro to kendo koro doko. Ne giwacho ni joma okeni ema joma ng'aw ahinya kendo medo thoro hinyore seche ma tulo wuok. Omiyo kwe en gima chakore kuom ng'ato ka ng'ato, gidwa ni mondo koro ji oneni oketo kwego e yono makare.
Our main aim of coming together today is to discuss together and agree that we want to go out and preach peace. Preach peace to our young people, preach peace to our political aspirants, and we want to tell them boldly that we do not want dirty language in our campaigns. Let them sell their policies, let them talk to the people and tell them what they will do to them, but not abuse one another.
Thank the Almighty God for this day He has given us to gather here as women who are supposed to promote peace, especially at this time when Kenya is going for election, because Kenya is known that during election, the election, especially after election, it is marred with conflicts, death and destruction of property. And as women, we are closer to our sons and daughters who do those things which are not even right before God. So we have come here to get the knowledge, to go back and tell our sons and daughters not to participate in such activities that destroy the country, the activities that bring even death, activities.
So as mothers, we are blessed to have a chance to speak to our young children, the youth, and our fellow mothers and neighbors and friends, that we should have peace, because elections comes and go, but our neighbors will stay with us forever. So let us maintain peace, let us stay in peace, because after election, we will need each.
So as a woman, I'm taking this message home, that as women, as people who are co-creators with God, because God uses women to bring lives in our world. So we are preaching peace, and we actually praying and encouraging our both young and old members of this society to, when we are going to have our election, let us be peaceful. You know, peace starts at home. Peace goes around with our neighbors, and peace goes around in our society.